In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the GST slab in Zoho Inventory. We'll walk through this step by step so you can follow along on your own screen and make sure your tax settings are accurate and up to date. This is especially important if your GST rates have recently changed or if you're setting up a new account and want everything configured correctly from the start. First, open Zoho Inventory and sign into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to let everything load so you can clearly see the navigation and icons. We'll be working from this home area to get into the tax settings. Next, look towards the top right or right side of your screen for the gear icon. This gear icon represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that. Anytime you want to adjust how Zoho Inventory behaves, including taxes, currencies, or templates, this is where you'll usually start. After clicking the gear, you'll be taken to the main settings page. Here, you'll see a list of different configuration options. Find the option labeled Taxes and click on it. This is the section where Zoho Inventory lets you control all your tax-related preferences, including GST. Once you're inside the Taxes section, look for a tab or option called Tax Rates. Click on Tax Rates. This page shows you all the existing tax rates that have already been created in your organization. If your GST slab has changed, instead of editing older values, it's a good practice to create a new correct rate so your records stay clear and traceable. Now, on the tax rates page, look for a button that says plus new tax, or something similar, usually at the top right of the list. Click on this button to create a new tax entry. This is where you'll define the updated GST slab. In the form that appears, you'll see a field for the tax name. Type in GST, along with any descriptor that helps you identify the rate, such as GST 18% or GST standard, depending on how you like to name your slabs. Clear naming will help you avoid confusion later when you apply taxes to items and invoices. Next, move to the rate field. Here, type in the exact GST percentage you want to use, for example 5, 12, or 18, depending on your updated slab. Make sure you enter only the numeric value without the percent sign, following the format Zoho expects. Once you've double-checked the tax name and the rate for accuracy, scroll down if needed and click on the Save button. Zoho Inventory will now add this new GST slab to your list of available tax rates. After saving, you'll be able to apply this new GST rate to your items, invoices, and other transactions moving forward.